He just realized he forget. What?
I'm sorry, Mama. You was without me?
Of course I was, babe.
What do you mean? Oh.
Yeah. Thanks.
I'm so sorry.
Thanks.
Yeah, you better. You better. I can't believe you forgot about me.
You're gonna say it. Come on, let's go.
You forgot me.
Did I forget you?
Yes.
Sorry. Here. Here you go. Come here.
Thank you. You really pressed the... No. No. You're kidding. You
sorry,
actually
sorry. I'm
forgot
sorry.
me.
Let's
You
go.
actually forgot. What?
Goddamn truck.
Sorry, baby. Were you waiting on me?